everybody. Just wanted to say hello, introduce myself. I am Debra Goalie, and I'm going to be offering a lot more classes virtually. So it's been a great start to my 2020 with being able to offer things to you online. I am a full-time artist and I work in a variety of mediums, fiber art, like something over my shoulder here. I work in watercolor as well, acrylic painting, I paint on walls, I paint on things like dogs. So there's so many things that, that I can do with paint and my art skills, my background in architecture. And I just love teaching in person and bringing my joy of art to you. So my in-person is going to be virtual to you all. You'll have a variety of things that you could pick from. You could take one of my monthly classes and have access to my content. And then you could also just have, at your fingertips, being able to get 15-minute little tidbits from me or whatever I'm working on, or behind the scenes things, if you have a subscription that keeps on going. So hopefully you can join in. I will list for you all of the upcoming workshops and things that you can get involved with. Maybe you can join a group, maybe you want to be more one-on-one, and maybe you just want to be dropping in every once in a while just to see what's going on. So with that, I'll just give you a few little samples of what's going on. I just finished this watercolor landscape painting class. We had 4 lessons for the month of June. So I love to do some fauvism, some pouring of paint. The upcoming one for next month, we're going to be doing architecture. So I'm going to walk you through doing barns and doors. So we're going to be drawing it first, maybe doing a country scene, and getting on to maybe some castles in watercolor. Maybe we'll just look at the skyline and do craziness that way. So this is going to be fun. So you can do that as a group lesson and sign up with me to do that. Acrylic painting coming up. Oh my gosh, yes, I love to do interiors as a designer. So inspired by Matisse, maybe 1 point perspective looking way up. Or how about close in and looking at a palm tree, which is near and dear to my heart because I have a lot of them around where I am. And as far as looking at my behind the scenes and what I've been working on in my personal art that is commissioned or for sale, you might enjoy tuning in for that. So let's see what I got going for that. If I walk over here in my studio, this I just submitted and I wanted to share it with you guys today. Voila! Let me just flip that little hat thing over the top there. And you can see it's 30 by 40. This one is called Sit It Out or Swing. So this will be fun to be able to display around the entire country, maybe even the world, if it gets accepted to a lot of different venues. So this one is just finished, been photographed, and ready to go. And you might get little tidbits of me just doing that type of work, and you can see how I do it in fiber. So have a great day. Contact me if you need to take an art class or get any tips. Ciao. Keep creating art because you are created uniquely.